Beats Studio has a cultural legacy like no other headphone in the world. And with Beats Studio Pro, we've completely re-engineered and refined the entire headphone to give you the most immersive listening experience possible. This means packing them with iconic sound, immersive spatial audio, upgraded noise control, enhanced Apple and Android compatibility, USB-C and 3.5mm ports, and, of course, refining the iconic design. Starting from scratch, we redesigned the speakers to be the most precise and powerful over-ear speakers we've ever made. They combine a 2-layer diaphragm, refined microventing, and 25% stronger magnets to deliver rich, balanced sound across the full audio spectrum. The ultrafine acoustic meshes offer supreme dampening and reduce distortion by up to 80%, even at high volumes. To maximize the immersion, we added personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. To better understand how this feels, imagine you're in a theater with 64 speakers completely surrounding you. Now imagine how sound hits your ears differently as you turn your head. The technology brilliantly recreates all of this in real time. Full immersion also means no distractions. The fully adaptive noise-canceling technology uses 4 all-new microphones to constantly pinpoint and remove unwanted external sounds. Incredibly, it does this up to 48,000 times a second and even adjusts to your personal fit. And now, Studio Pro features transparency mode for when outside awareness is needed. Superb functionality is a must. So we included industry-leading Bluetooth connectivity, as well as our dual ecosystem chipset, which offers native features to both Apple and Android users. High fidelity and convenience matter when you need to plug in. Studio Pro now includes USB-C audio with 3 EQ-optimized sound profiles, as well as a 3.5mm jack for analog sources like gaming and in-flight entertainment. To complement all these engineering upgrades, we partnered with Samuel Ross to elevate everything design.
The design approach, the Studio Pro, all come down to this idea of refinement. It's about function and aesthetics coming together. I felt like it was time to elevate with a more premium color selection. The Studio Pro experience is the perfect blend of design culture, creative culture, and engineering coming together.